Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Andi Samsudaris. I went to UIN Alauddin University Makassar. Before I went to school at SMA 9 Negeri Pinrang. I think there is nothing interesting in the city except the people, but I still love the city because there is no better place than home. Although not many people know about the city, because the city is far from campus, and I myself do not live in the city but in the village. My village name is Waka, where I was born, and met my friend from childhood and a beautiful village where I grew up. I love a lot of things including art, and I love metal music that is fairly anti-mainstream for today. And I love the dark art and the philosophy of dark is quit darkness, even though I'm not very good at making. At least I enjoy other people's works. Speaking of metal music, I love one of the bands, Guns N' Roses, and one of the songs I like is "Sweet Child of Mine," especially covered with the guitar performed by Slash. It's like Opium to me, and it's always here before I sleep. I also love reading about influential character in the world. One of the character I like is Steve Jobs because he built Apple from scratch. I saw him as a role model for me. He taught me that not smart people are successful, but people will want to try. He drove it out of college to start his business and embrace the people around him, of course, qualified people, and he was the one who wrote about technological change. Issue of international relation. Normalization of Israel-Arab war relation. Another issue that also attracted the attention of the world public throughout 2020 is the normalization of Israel relation with a number of Arab countries. With the help of United States mediation, it was United States President Donald Trump who played an important role behind the normalization of this relationship, assisted by his son-in-law, who is also a senior White House advisor to Jared Kushner, as well as number of top officials who are Trump confident. Until the end of December 2020, Israel managed to normalize relations with at least 5 countries in the Middle East and Africa that have a Muslim majority population. The first to make history was the United Arab Emirates (UAE), which decided to normalize relations with Israel in September 2020. Shortly after, Bahrain followed in the footsteps in the AI. Later, the United States also managed to establish the normalization of relation between Israel and Sudan. Toward the end of the year, Morocco became the next country to follow, and 2020 closed with Bhutan adding to a long list of countries normalizing relation with Israel. The issue of normalization of relation with Israel is a sensitive issue, especially when it comes to the Muslim and Palestine war. The pros and cons are clearly unavoidable. Those who are pro usually emphasize the argument that although the normalization of the relation occurs, but the principle of defending Palestine did not waver, while those who oppose generally emphasize the argument the Palestine will be farther away from the word peace, and the two-state solution is increasingly becoming utopian with the normalization of relation with Israel. My hope for this class, hopefully, we could limit in person considering the pandemic prevents us to meet, and in the future we can further develop in any file. And for lecture, thank you for teaching us all this time.